am A, Thai Herbalist. Today I want to take you on a farm tour. My farm is Green Fynn Khaokho in Phetchabun, Thailand. Let's check it out. Welcome to my farm, Green Fynn Khaokho in Phetchabun, Thailand. Before taking you on tour, I want to introduce myself a bit more so that you know me better. As you know from my channel's name, I'm A, Thai Herbalist. My name is pronounced similarly as the first letter A in English, which a little bit of stressed. I got certificates of Thai traditional medical professions. As I wear several hats, I used to be English and German tutor, part-time lecturer, and now am a linguist, translator, and the owner of Green Fynn Khaokho farm in Phetchabun, Thailand. Just so you know, Khaokho is around 5.5 hours drive from Bangkok. My farm is on the mountain, which is around 650 meters high from sea level, so the temperature here is cooler than in Bangkok. As the weather is quite humid, you can see beautiful fog when it rains, especially in rainy season. I have different kinds of vegetables on my farm, like lettuce, cabbage, water spinach, and eggplants. And I have a few ponds with many fish in my farms too. It is so relaxing to just sit there, put your feet in the water, and watch the fish swimming by. Sometimes the fish come to eat away your dead skin from your feet, like fish spa treatment as well. So this is a place where you can take a break from your hard work, relax and enjoy yourself with beautiful scene in front of you, and you will hear the sound of running water and singing birds. For those who haven't seen ginger farms before, this is my small ginger farm. You might wonder why the ginger plants look like grass. You're right. What you see now is the ginger farm with high grass. As we don't use herbicide and pesticides, the grass grows really fast and even taller than the gingers. If you watch my video on how to make ginger tea before, I use all ginger roots from my farm here, so I'm quite sure about its safety. And here are my hens. I have several hens in my farm, and they lay eggs for me every day. So now I don't have to buy eggs anymore, and I also save more money from buying vegetables as well, because I normally eat fresh vegetable from my farm. I also have a little project in my farm about plant shade house to grow plants that need a little bit more protection, like melons, tomatoes, cucumbers. So this shade house can improve the growth rate and appearance of the plants as well. Now the shade house is still in progress, and it took several months so far. This is what it looked like at the beginning. And this is what it looks like now. Welcome to my plant shade house. This is the beautiful fog I love when I stay in my farm. You will see this beautiful fog when it rains, as in rainy season. Hope you like it as I do, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned and take care of yourself. See you again next time. Bye.